There it goes.
Hello.
Thanksgiving 2015.
Mm-hmm.
Sage and I are sleeping about 100 feet up in the air. We have our dog, White Sox. She's enjoying herself. Let's give you a little tour of our shack. It's almost a full moon, not quite. I can't see what I'm filming. And back to us. What do you want to say, Sage?
Hi. And goodbye.
Hi and goodbye. Sage has his alligator tooth from going to see the alligator farm with Grams and Preston and Ava, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's Mr. Gray.
Here's a good look.
Hang on, let me film down here. All kinds of glass, but we're all right. Papa was right. We should have brought the broom.
And then here's the shark tooth, the alligator tooth.
Bye.